All right, so in a question like this, we're going to go ahead and solve exponential equations in common log form. And to do that, we're going to rewrite each of our equations we get into a log form and then do common log after that. But for example, this question right here, we have 2 to the power of x equals 24. I can rewrite that as log of base 2 of 24 is equal to x. And then so you say, okay, this is equal to x, answer solved. Our answer, though, is not written as a common log. So just as a reminder, common log is log of base b of a is equal to log a divided by log b. So when I go ahead and rewrite this then, 24 would be my a. So my answer would be x is equal to log 24 divided by log 2. And so if the answer would be in common log, or as a common log, that would be my answer here. Let's go ahead and extend this a little bit further here, having to do some other operations. So I have 3 times 3 to the power of x equals 33. I want to get my exponential by itself of 3 to the power of x. So to do that, I will divide both sides by 30, not by 33, by 3 at the start. So I will have 3 to the power of x is going to be equal to 11. Now this question here looks just like our last question. So let's go ahead and use our log rules to convert this to a log. So I will have log base 3 of 11 is equal to x. And then rewriting this as a common log, I will have x is equal to log of 11 divided by log of 3. Hopefully the first two examples so far weren't too bad. The third one still follows the same rules. We're just going to take it again one step further. So now I have 3 times 4 to the power of x plus 3 minus 6 equals 39. Again, just like that previous question, we want to get our exponential part, being 4 to the power of x plus 3, isolated first. So the first step to do that would be adding 6 to both sides. So then I would have 3 times 4 to the power of x plus 3 is equal to 45. I'm going to divide both sides by 3 now to get 4 to the power of x plus 3 equals 15. And then even though I don't have an x by itself as my exponent, I still want to go ahead and convert this to a log. So converting this to a log, I would get log base 3, not log base 3, log base 4 of 15 is equal to x plus 3. And then lastly, to get x by itself now, I'm going to have x is equal to log base 4 of 15 minus 3. And you may think you're done here because now again we have x equal, but I can still convert a question like this into common log form, that specifically being just my log section here. So I can convert this being as x is equal to log of 15 divided by log 4 minus 3. And so this right here would wind up being my final answer when written as a common log.